Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Fitz. This is part 3. Apologize for the video being breaking up, but this video is about a 2024 Infiniti Q60. My front left eye pressure kept coming on. The light kept saying air going out, and I knew it was a nail somewhere that was in the tire. And if you look real close at the nail right there, and we're gonna go ahead and pull the nail out. Just gotta grab it and just pull it out. Get some needle nose pliers, everybody. Just go down in there and just go to it and just pull it out. Sometimes it be way down in there and you got to press on it to get it to come out. Yeah, it's down like good. You know what it is, it went in slanted. See, it went in slanted every once, so you gotta try to dig down like a spinner in your hand and get it out. Once you get it coming out, you can get it then. See, you get it coming out, then you get it. Always make sure you have safety glasses on. That's it. See? That's the nail. And then I'll immediately get my hole puncher. And you put your hole puncher down right there. And then you have your plugging kit already ready to go. All right, everybody. And once you get your plug-in kit ready to go, you already got it threaded in, glue already on it. Then you take it and you just like that. Then you take it and pull it out. Sometimes it be hard. Just like that. Take it and twist a little bit. And then you just pull it back out. And that's how you plug a tire. That's the way you plug it. And then I always take my razor and cut the excess rubber off. And sometimes people let them stay on and they let the rubber stay on. And sometimes they let it stay on, but I always just cut mine off to make sure. So I always just take a knife and a razor and just cut it off. And don't cut it out just about a little ways up. I don't cut it off directly flesh, because I let it wear itself down. And that's the way I do it. And that's how you plug the tire. Well, I love these air gauges. I forgot where I found this from. I think I got it from Walmart, or either I got it off Amazon. But check your air pressure. Make sure you got at least what it's supposed to have. So, of course, it lost a lot of air. It's only having 14 in it. So let's get it up to 30, 33. Let's get it up 33 pounds. Check and see what we got, y'all. 24. That should be about 33 right there, either 28. It's 25. Let's see what we got now. 33.4. That's good enough. And then I always take a little water and pour on it. We don't have no bubbles. So we're good to go, everybody. That's how you plug the tire on. 2024 Infiniti Q6 front tire. Kept going down, so like I said, just buy your supplies from Amazon or go to the tire place and get your plug-in kit. And y'all go back and like, share, and follow me, please. And like I said, it's just step by step. I'm sorry I didn't get everything in one video, but I didn't have anyone to hold my camera for me, but just started off doing stuff, and I'm just wanting everybody to know what's going on, because my daughter said, Dad, you know how to do so much work. Why don't you start doing stuff on YouTube and leave stuff for other people to see? So let's get this tie back on this car. Time to get ready to get in the house and get ready to get prepared for tomorrow. Be right back, guys.